5 counterintuitive tips for adding excitement into your long-term relationship. Passion. When you hear the word, what do you picture in your mind? If you're thinking only about the bedroom, you're missing half the fun. Passion involves living fully with enthusiasm. Applied to your relationship, it encompasses every aspect of your life together. Now think about this. Just how much passion do you enjoy in your life? It's time to think passionately. Are you ready to add more excitement to your long-term relationship? If so, read on for some tips that take a somewhat unexpected route to get there. Take some me time. How can you possibly be at your best with your partner when you never take time for yourself? Pulling back to recharge, and yes, even pamper yourself, leaves you more relaxed and receptive when it comes to time to be with your lover. Not sure where to begin? What are some of the things you've been passionate about? For example, if you love bubble baths, then by all means indulge. This is your time. Share sparingly. Not everything needs to be said. Maintaining mystery can actually spice things up a little. Drop hints. Tell only part of the story. Stir the passions by becoming an enigma needing to be solved. Introduce them to your interests. Did you know your eyes light up when you talk about something you love? Allow yourself to experience your passions fully, even the ones which have nothing to do with your significant other. They will be enthralled by the change that comes over you when you're excited about the things you love. By extension, they'll feel your excitement right along with you. Here is where your long-term partner will discover new layers to the one they love. This is especially powerful when you invite them personally into this world, allowing them to explore it with you. Experience growth. There is nothing exciting in someone who has gone stagnant. Take a class and learn something new. Work through your past. Become more, better than you've ever been. You at your best is a fantastic thing. Your long-term partner will share in the excitement of your growth as they discover alongside you who you really are. Make them your lover. In the end, don't forget to direct that passion squarely at them. Your long-term partner needs to feel like your lover. Make them this first in your mind, with all the passion which goes along with this. Then, engage them on this level for some truly fireworks-worthy time together. The passion will sizzle and crackle between you, whether you're in the bedroom or not.
Well, we hope this information is useful to you. If you have come this far, you can go to the first link of the description to claim a report that we have prepared to help you with your health. But first, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Have a great day.